has, oh, Zobi, hold on. Zobes, we can keep hiking, buddy. I know, Mommy started talking. No, that's not the trail. This is the trail. Hey, have y'all missed this? All right, go on. I know, I started talking. Like, are you not used to Mommy talking? Oh, you want to turn around? Are you not used to Mommy talking while we're hiking anymore? Oh, you just want to turn around and go back, huh? We're done? We've only gone a mile, buddy. No. We're gonna go. Come on. We're gonna go. All right, got him turned around. Yes, we are hiking for the first time in about 6 weeks. Just a very easy hike here in New Mexico. Very different look from the Appalachian Trail, huh? And today is unfortunately not by far the prettiest day we've had in New Mexico. Hi, been here for about a month now actually, and I have been resting my feet and decided today I was going to try to come out here and just hike a little bit and see how my feet feel, and so far so good. We've only gone about a mile. But yeah, not the prettiest day, unfortunately. We've had some really beautiful blue sky days, and yesterday it rained and today it's cloudy, but oh well. Anyway, the reason I'm getting on here is because I have a couple of pieces of exciting news to share with you all. So as you know, tonight, Sunday, December 4th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time is my premiere of Summiting Katahdin. Stans is before me at 7 o'clock, so I will post links to his premiere at 7 and my premiere at 8. We will have live chat going on, so I'll be happy to share that experience with you, and I'm really excited, looking forward to it, and I know he is too, and there he is. So is Zobi, if I can get him in the screen. He just wants to turn around. I guess we're turning around. I'm not gonna fight with him. The second piece of exciting news, besides the fact that I'm hiking again, at least a little bit, is that I finally did a little bit of research and am answering your call. Y'all want member perks. And I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about, because I've never been a member or tried to be a member of things like YouTube subscription on people's channels and Patreon and subscriptions on Instagram and all that kind of stuff. So finally did some research, looked into it, and I now officially have it set up so that you can join and be a member. There's 3 different levels. You get various perks with different levels for joining my channel here on YouTube as a member, and those perks, highest level, include things like totally exclusive member only behind the scenes videos and things like that, member only live chats, member only live streaming, Q&A, that kind of stuff, and other fun things like connecting with you on your social media and promoting each other. And and a big one actually is the highest level also give you discounts to my artwork, whether it is something I draw or paint that you want to purchase or a custom piece that you commission me to do. If you're a member, you will get a discount, and there will be varying degrees and times of year that I'll be offering those discounts, but you will always get one if you are a highest tier member. This is Zobi. Zobi's doing his normal, come on, can get in here, yeah. Zobi had to stop and do his normal, Mommy's on video, I need a potty. It doesn't matter if we're in New Mexico or the AT. So yeah, so that's exciting news. Tonight, Katahdin premiere, see you there, live chat. If you become a member before the Katahdin premiere, you get some of the perks, special emojis. I got a Stan emoji even. It's fun. I get to create my own emojis. I'm gonna do some more of that this afternoon, I think. Got a Zobi emoji, got a Monarch emoji. So yeah, it'll be fun. So go check it out. I will post the link to that as well so you can join. And I hope to see you all tonight. All right, talk to y'all later. I'm gonna keep hiking, even though I don't have the greatest mountain views today. It's nice to get out here again. Feet aren't hurting. Yay!